Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an essential piece of equipment for anyone relying on specific barcode label printers. The NGDOLAOV power cord adapter, designed for models like the GK888T GK888CN LP2844 and GK888TT. In the world of business, especially retail or logistics, a functioning barcode printer isn't just a convenience, it's the backbone of efficiency. And what powers that backbone? A reliable adapter. This particular NGDOLAOV adapter steps in as a dedicated power solution, ensuring your critical operations remain uninterrupted. It's engineered to deliver a precise 20V at 3.25A, which is the exact specification required by these Zebra-compatible printers. This isn't a generic, one-size-fits-all solution. It's tailored, which is paramount when dealing with sensitive electronics like label printers. Using an adapter with incorrect voltage or amperage can lead to anything from inconsistent performance to permanent damage to your valuable equipment. With this NGDOLAOV unit, users can rest assured that their printer is receiving the correct power profile. The input voltage is standard at 110 volts, making it compatible with typical North American power outlets. This means no special converters are needed, allowing for straightforward plug-and-play functionality right out of the box. The design, while simple and functional, speaks to its purpose: to provide consistent, stable power without fuss. It's often the unsung hero in an office or warehouse environment, quietly doing its job day in and day out. When considering a replacement or a spare power adapter, reliability is key. Downtime due to a faulty power supply can halt operations, leading to lost productivity and potential revenue. The NGDOLAOV adapter aims to mitigate these risks by offering a direct and compatible power source. Its robust construction, typical of quality power adapters, suggests it's built to withstand the rigors of daily use, whether in a bustling retail store or a busy shipping department. For owners of the GK888T GK888CN LP2844 or GK888TT barcode label printers, finding a dependable power source is non-negotiable. This NGDOLAOV adapter presents itself as a solid choice, providing the necessary power specifications and the peace of mind that comes with using a purpose-built accessory. It's about ensuring your printer is always ready to go, keeping your business running smoothly without unexpected power-related interruptions. This adapter is a testament to the fact that sometimes the most crucial components are the ones that simply work, consistently and reliably.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.